Good morning. This is Dr. Shah. Just wanted to introduce a case to you today. We have this patient that has a lot of low back pain. Unfortunately, she was jarring her back back and forth, doing some housework, vacuuming, I believe. And you can see in this picture over here in this MRI scan on T1 and T2 that she does have a little bit of bone marrow edema. You can see how it's white in this area, black in this area on different spins of the MRI. These are at the L1 and L2 levels. So this suggests that there's some bone marrow edema, and the bone marrow edema suggests that there's a little bit of a fracture. She has pretty good height maintained of her vertebral bodies. So that's kind of a good thing. A lot of times in vertebral compression fractures, you will have a nice wedge shape to that vertebral body. But in this case, it seems like she's doing all right. So I think she'll do really well. I'm going to get started prepped right now to do the cementing, the kyphoplasty. Essentially what we're going to do is go from the back, place a needle, put some cement right into the vertebral body, and hopefully that takes care of a lot of her low back pain. She's not complaining of any radicular pain right now. That's pain down the legs, just complaining of low back pain. So let's see what we can do. See you in a minute.